What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special video for you guys. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video for the Kylie Cosmetics Balmain makeup collab. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this for over a week, so we're just gonna jump right into it. Okay, so straight off the back, when I received this package, I was so happy. This color pink is so cute. I love how she's sticking with the pink, especially from her Kylie skin line. So that was cute. So I opened up the box and it looks like this. I'm trying not to show you guys the label so y'all don't know my address. So it looks like this when you open it up. Obviously, I already broke the box open because I ain't got no chill and I was dumb excited. Okay, so then you open it and it has a little note. How cute is this? It says, "Good choice. Love these products you picked. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. XOXO, Kylie Jenner." Very cute. Okay, now for the good stuff. Now this is the eyeshadow palette. The packaging, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. She always slays with the packaging. Like, I don't know anyone right now who has better packaging than her. Like, even her birthday collection that she just did, she killed it. And I think we all can admit that she bodied it. And also, so this packaging is so cute. Let me just, and it says Balmain Paris at the top. That's dope. Ew. Child. It has a little plastic on top. That's always good. Anyway, on this video today, I'm going to be swatching every color so you guys can see, along with the lip liner and lipstick. Let me get it out. This is so blazing. This is like a natural brown liner, brown liner with the pink lipstick. This is like my everyday go-to lip. I'm dumb excited about this. So I'm gonna be trying that, and I'm gonna be trying the lip gloss. It's called the High Gloss. I'm always ripping the packaging, like, it's crazy. Ew, blazing. What's this? Model behavior. Loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it. Can we just take a second to look at the inside of this packaging? Look at this, y'all. Oh, and excuse my nails. I need to do my nails, so don't judge me. I haven't had time to do it. So let me just put this to the side. So already I'm loving this, the colors, like the glitter. I'm so excited. I'm trying to think. I'm going to do a little like eyeshadow look for you guys today. I'm just so hyped. Like, I don't know what colors I want to use. I kind of want to go like for a fall look because we're already in October. But then again, like these pinks. Sis. This shit is fire so far. So far, thumbs up for me. But we're going to see how it really looks because I'm going to give an honest review today. first thing I noticed with these eyeshadows is that they were extremely pigmented. Like, I loved it. And the glitter is like real glitter. It's not like shimmers, like it's real glitter. Like, as I'm swatching my arm, I can feel the grains of glitter on me, which is crazy. So you already know, like, your eyelids is gonna be glistening. I'm just sitting here trying to figure out which colors I'm about to do. Because I'm going to do a little quick eyeshadow tutorial to show you guys what it looks like. And then I'm also going to try out the lips, of course. I think I'm gonna stick more with like the fall colors. So maybe I'll use like Top Model and Main Event. Then Close the Show on the lids, and maybe like City of Love in the corner under the eyes. I'm just gonna freestyle it, y'all. So we're gonna just see how this turns out and how this goes. So I'm just gonna prime my lid first. And I'm gonna go in with this flat brush, and I'm gonna go right into what we doing, y'all. We're gonna do Catwalk on the lid, Close the Show on the lid. I don't even know. All right, let's do Catwalk, because Catwalk is like this nice, I don't even know what color this is. Like a mauve, a glittery mauve. I need to get my colors up. I don't know my color. Then I'm going with the blending brush in the color Main Event, which is this brownish color. Do you guys see it? I'm not sure if I'm seeing it. I'm gonna go in with this brush, and I'm gonna go into Top Model, which is this reddish, pinkish, and just go into the crease more. Oh, so much for fall colors, right, y'all? Because this is coming out like, but it's alright. I'm gonna try to use as many colors as I can. I already used 3 on the palette, so. And I'm loving it so far. It's so cute and girly. Then I'm gonna take, what y'all thinking? Maybe I could take Model Type, which is this silver, and put it in my inner corners, like in my little tear duct. Might as well try and see what happens. Let's see. I usually like to do it with my finger, but oh no. Whoa. Child. Y'all see that? This silver glitter shadow is not to be played with. Like, unless you're about that life, don't. Bomb. Now, what I'm gonna put under the lid I could do purple. I could do the City of Love. I wish I had a live up so y'all could like choose the colors for me, because I'm like, I don't even know what colors to use. Let's go with, let's do the purple. The purple one. Let's do that one. Lord, I don't know how this about to look, but we're gonna see. What y'all think? I'm just adding little by little because I don't want to do too much. Look, I got gold on my face. And like I said, y'all, this glitter is crazy. Look at this. Let me see if I could pat it with them. And I'm going to go in with this brush, and I'm going to go back with the top model color and just go underneath this. Y'all, what y'all think? I kind of like it. I'm kind of feeling this palette. So yeah, so far this is a thumbs up for me. I'm really feeling this palette. Let's keep going. I'm going to do some liner. I'm not going to go too heavy. I'm going to do some liner though, because I can't go without liner. Okay. Once again, I'm always messing up my liner, but you know what? It is what it is. Just going to keep going. So this is the look that I came up with. I don't know what y'all think. I kind of like it. I think it's sexy. I think I might be using the same palette to do a Valentine's Day look. I think I'm going to do it. And I'm going to use the pinks more, because this looks really cute. So let me just finish up with some, mascara. And then I'm going to go on to the lips so we can see how the lips look, because I think it's going to look blazing. I think it's going to put it all together. Okay, now for lips, I'm going to use the liner. What's the name of it? It's called Paris. So I'm just going to line my lips with Paris. And then I'm going to go in with the, what is it? Oh, this is also called Paris. But it's a matte liquid lipstick. So I'm going to go in with the liner, and I'm going to go in with this. And then we're going to see how it looks. This liner is so smooth and just like buttery. Woo! Yes for the lips. Yes for the lips. Oh my God. I'm loving this lip combo, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I'm sold on the lip combo. I love it. This is like my favorite go-to, like everyday natural looking lip. Like, it's blazing. All right, I'm just gonna go on my Fenty Beauty highlighter, and then we are all set today. Oh shoot, it broke. and we are done. Let me just look in the mirror real close to see what this is looking like, because this is looking like a thumbs up for me. Let me just let this dry, because my eyes, I think they look so good. The colors are like pigmented. Don't get me wrong, that one color, the only thing that I didn't like about this palette, about the Kylie Cosmetics Balmain palette, was the color Main Event. Because when I was putting that on my crease, I couldn't really see. Maybe I can't see. Maybe y'all was able to see it. Y'all let me know. But I just think that people with more tan skin or darker skin is going to have a problem with this shadow. I don't really feel like it showed up. But I mean, all the other colors did. So I mean, that's a thumbs up for me overall. That's a good palette. And then the lips, 100% love it. What you guys think? That silver shadow? Man, she did that. Oh, I didn't even try the gloss, y'all. Let me try some gloss and see what it's like. Oh my god, the gloss is really thick. It's not sticky, but it's thick. Like, I literally not even put a lot. Gloss is a thumbs up. I honestly really do like it. Like, I'm excited to use this for Valentine's Day because I feel like these are more like girly, like pinks and sparkly. Like, I don't see myself using this palette every day, but when it's time to show up and show out, this is gonna be the go-to palette. Absolutely. So yeah, thank you for watching. I want you guys to comment below and tell me what you guys think of my video and what you guys think of the look that I created on the spot for you guys. I didn't plan this. I just went off the top of the dome. If you haven't got it, go out and cop it. I think it's a good addition to the collection, definitely. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you again next week.